Junmar! Junmar! Junmar, congratulations! Hindi bago itong pakiramdam ng pagiging champion para sa'yo. Pero how special is this? Gaano pa ito kaiba dun sa iba pang experiences and finals mo?
Special to kasi bira lang kami nag-champion sa conference na to. So, ayun, tapos naghahabol kami buong game. Tapos crucial yung dalawang threes ni yung tira ni Chris Ross at ni CJ. So, ayun, pinakita talaga namin yung composure namin sa end game. So, ayun.
Junmar, sa kabila ng pagiging injured mo, twice this conference, nasungkit nyo pa rin ang kampyonato. Ano ba ang tumatakbo sa isip ng isang Junmar Fajardo ngayon?
Kailangan talaga matapos na yung game kanina kasi alam namin pagod na kami. So buti nakuha namin yung panalong to. So ayun, sobrang thankful lang kami kay God na nakuha namin yun.
This the GOAT right here, baby. The GOAT. The GOAT.
Oh, thank you, Junmar. Last message for the Beermen.
Una-una, pasalamat kami kay God na safe yung buong team. And then, ayun, binabati ko, Mama, Papa, Lolo Berting, Jay, Cham Cham, Kendra, Vance, Dong Marcio, tanang tao sa ng Nining, tanang tao sa Balay, and then, syempre, Lolo Berting, and sa mga taga-Compostela, taga-Pinamungahan, taga Cebu din, si Atty. Stenso family, salamat sa suporta. And then sa tanang mga fans ng San Miguel, salamat sa inyo. Salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta. And God bless sa ating lahat.
Congratulations, Junmar. Go ahead and celebrate. We have with me now Benny Boatwright. Benny, a while ago we were talking. I said the last time that you won a championship was way back in high school. But now you took the gamble when you were playing in Mexico. When you got the call, you flew here to the Philippines. And now you got the ring. What's going on in your head right now?
Yeah, thank you. First off, I want to thank God. Without God, nothing would be possible. Thank you, Jesus Christ. But now this is a blessing. You know, it's all credit to my teammates. Thank you to the staff. And, you know, I'm glad we won, came out with the championship.
How did this finals experience help you grow and develop more as a player? Mr. Robert Non was teasing you a while ago that this is not the last time they'll be seeing you.
You can't duplicate this. You know, it's a championship experience. You can't duplicate this, and it's all a blessing. And I'm glad we won.
Thank you, Benny. Go ahead and celebrate. Now we're sending it back to the panel.